In most air and hydraulic fluid power circuits, valves are used to control the direction, rate, and pressure in fluid lines. Control valves for these functions can be purchased with either manual or solenoid actuators. In a manually actuated valve, the internal cylinder is shifted by hand using a lever, push button, plunger, or other manual actuating device. By contrast, valves with a solenoid actuator respond to an electrical signal for shifting. With electrical control, machine cycles can be set up for automatic sequencing, and operator control can be exercised from a remote location. Solenoid valves are said to be either direct or pilot operated. A direct operated valve is shown here. A pilot-operated valve has a pilot and bleed orifice and utilizes line pressure for operation. This is a pilot-operated relief valve. When the solenoid is energized, the core opens the pilot orifice and relieves pressure from the top of the valve piston or diaphragm to the outlet side of the valve. This results in an unbalanced pressure, lifting the piston or diaphragm off the main orifice. When the solenoid is de-energized, the pilot orifice is closed and full line pressure is applied to the top of the piston or diaphragm, closing the valve. Most directly operated valves also come in pilot-operated versions and are designated by a triangular graphic symbol.
Raindrop, drip, drop top.